there is a profound, terrifying, and deeply isolating psychological reality built into the very foundational architecture of elite, world-class figure skating. When you are anointed as the absolute future of your nation's athletic program before you can legally drive, the entire world fundamentally changes. The way it looks at your fragile existence. You are no longer viewed as a normal human. You are transformed into a commodified, fiercely protected national asset. Every single time you step your steel blades onto the freezing, scarred ice, you are not simply performing a routine. You are desperately carrying the crushing, suffocating, and terrifying weight of millions of desperate, patriotic expectations directly on your muscled shoulders. The American public does not politely ask for greatness. They aggressively, violently, and unapologetically demand absolute, untouchable, and flawless perfection. They demand you rewrite human physics while wearing a media-trained smile. To survive that level of microscopic global scrutiny without fracturing into a million pieces requires a level of cold-blooded mental fortitude that defies logic. Welcome to the tense, breathless atmosphere of the cavernous O2 Arena in Prague. It is the terrifying aftermath of the 2026 ISU World Figure Skating Championships. The oxygen inside this colossal stadium has been depleted, replaced by a vibrating mixture of shock, adrenaline, and awe. The battered ice below is a brutal battlefield that just witnessed an impossible, reality-altering miracle. The punishing mathematical standard for the men's world title has not just been raised, it has been violently launched into a different, unreachable stratosphere by the American phenomenon, Ilya Malinin. But to truly comprehend the magnitude of what occurred under these blinding lights, you must understand the isolating psychological journey of the rare humans who know what that pressure feels like. Standing in the dark, isolated shadows of the backstage tunnels, hidden away from the roar of the crowd, is a woman who profoundly understands the toll of this warfare. Her name is Alyssa Liu. If anyone can comprehend the crushing weight of being a prodigy, it is her. Long before Ilya was shattering the boundaries of physics with his axles, Alyssa was the undisputed chosen one. She was the young girl carrying a nation's dreams. She was the one launching herself into the freezing air, landing triple axles and quads. As a teenager, she knows the suffocating feeling of standing alone in a massive rink. She felt the unyielding eyes of the world piercing through her. She lived the exhaustion. She walked away from that toxic environment to save her soul, then found her way back on her own terms. Now, she stands in the freezing corridors of the arena. Is there a single human on Earth who can comprehend the devastating, absolutely crushing weight of being labeled the ultimate American figure skating prodigy? It is absolutely, undeniably Alyssa Liu. Long before Ilya Malinin was violently shattering the unbreakable boundaries of physics with his quads, Alyssa was the undisputed, fiercely protected chosen one. She was the wide-eyed American girl, carrying the crushing, unbearable weight of an entire nation's desperate Olympic dreams on her shoulders. She was the one launching into the air, landing triple axles and quads while barely a teenager. She intimately knows the terrifying, suffocating feeling of standing alone in the center of the rink. She felt the unyielding eyes of the global world piercing through her fragile skin. She lived through the bone-deep, overwhelming physical and mental exhaustion of that unforgiving spotlight. She walked away from the toxic environment to save her soul, bravely finding her way back to the ice on her own terms. She stands in the backstage corridors of the O2 Arena in Prague, watching the monitors as history is finally made. She sees the miracle, but she also knows the price of being the absolute best. The miracle on the ice below is hers to witness from the quiet, freezing backstage halls. As the scores flash, Alyssa Liu watches the glowing monitors as the next chapter begins. Ilya Malinin aggressively destroys the international field with a terrifying, absolutely flawless performance. This history-making skate is more than a routine. She isn't just watching a teammate. She sees a terrifying reflection of her own traumatic, deeply triumphant athletic past today. As Ilya's booming music echoes through the stadium rafters, Elisa watches his focused face. She watches him turn fiercely forward, gliding on one foot at a blinding speed. She knows exactly what his body is about to attempt in this moment. She watches him strike his jagged toe pick deep into the concrete like ice. The impact hits with the explosive, deafening force of a military-grade gunshot tonight. She watches him launch his entire physical being into the freezing air, leaving Earth. He hangs there. She watches his body snap into a shape so impossibly tight. He is so aerodynamically perfect that he ceases to look like a normal human being. He becomes a mesmerizing, violent blur of kinetic energy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.5. 1,620 degrees of rotation, suspended high above ice. Elisa's breath catches in her chest. She knows the terrifying centrifugal force pulling him. She knows the microscopic, unforgiving margin for error as he reaches for the landing. She watches the steel blade search blindly for the absolute safety of the ice. She watches him hit. The blade slices deep into the ice with a massive crunch. She watches his knee bend deeply, absorbing hundreds of pounds of bone-rattling force. Such impact would shatter a lesser athlete. She watches his posture stay flawlessly immaculate. He pulls out of the landing with even more blinding speed than before. The entire 18,000-seat arena instantly detonates. The sound is utterly, completely deafening. A massive shockwave of noise rattles the concrete walls of the backstage tunnels. Elisa does not cheer like the frantic fans. She simply stares at the screen. A look of profound, respectful awe washes over her face. She is bearing witness. She sees an unstoppable athletic god achieving a generation-defining milestone on the world stage. He systematically destroys the best skaters in the world with intimidating American precision. He harvests unprecedented technical points from the judges at an incredibly fast rate. The computer systems can barely manage to keep up with the rapidly exploding math. When the final booming chord hits the arena like a massive clap of thunder, Ilya stops, throwing his exhausted arms down. The built-up emotional dam finally breaks. The O2 Arena erupts into a massive, earth-shattering standing ovation for the champion. Elisa watches as Ilya throws his head back, staring into the blinding stadium lights. His chest heaves desperately, gasping for oxygen to feed his starved muscles. She watches. Tears of relief and triumph stream down his cheeks. Then the bright numbers flash. The absurd, mathematically impossible total score appears. A humiliating 20-point margin of victory. The arena detonates all over again. As Ilya makes his way off the ice, wiping sweat from his forehead with a towel, he is surrounded by absolute chaos. He has rewritten the limits of human potential. The quad god has claimed history. Elisa stays silent, acknowledging the new king. A legend has been born tonight. The crowd continues to scream his name. It's a moment figure skating will never forget. Every camera is on him now. The world is watching the new champion's face. He looks exhausted but immortal. The points on the board are truly staggering today. That humiliating 20-point margin of global victory is undisputed. The arena absolutely detonates. Violently, the crowd screams. Ilya slowly makes his way off the deeply scarred ice. He's wiping freezing sweat from his forehead, entirely surrounded by a chaotic, cheering scene. Pushing through a frantic swarm of media, screaming fans, and emotional coaches, he finally breaks away. He fights his way through the suffocating crowd toward the dark, isolated safety of the concrete tunnels. Backstage, his muscled legs are trembling violently with the weight of absolute, crushing, bone-deep exhaustion. The massive surge of adrenaline is fading fast, leaving his bloodstream as the pressure finally breaks. He is mentally and physically drained, the inevitable crash of a man who just defied human limits. He pushed his body past every known boundary. Turning a sharp concrete corner, he seeks some peace. He craves a solitary moment of silence, far from the blinding camera flashes and the arena roar. Standing right there, alone in the quiet, air-conditioned hallway, waiting in the dark, is Elisa Liu. The shared psychological weight of their high-stakes world instantly bridges the gap between the two skaters. Their isolated reality connects them. Here, there are no aggressive reporters or frantic cameras watching them. No desperate fans are screaming for attention here. No patriotic pressure is weighing them down right now. There is zero need to fake it. Media-trained, artificial smiles are not required in this darkness. Only the raw truth remains. The agonizing cost of surviving the meat grinder of American expectations. They know what it takes to endure the suffocating pressure of being the best figure skaters alive. Ilya stops dead in his tracks. His chest is still heaving from the brutal physical effort. His expensive, custom skating outfit is drenched in freezing sweat. He slowly looks up at Alyssa. That cold, predatory focus melts away, replaced by the vulnerable, weary eyes of a 21-year-old kid. The weight of the world was on his shoulders, and he somehow survived the terrifying ordeal. Alyssa stays silent, looking deep into his eyes with a profound mixture of respect and understanding. Her face shows professional admiration and a devastating psychological bond that only another champion truly knows. She knows the burn of lactic acid in his legs. She knows the isolated practice hours. She saw him fall on empty ice over and over just to reach this fleeting perfection. She steps forward, closing the distance in the echoing hallway, her presence warm against the concrete. She wraps her arms around his sweating shoulders, pulling him into a deeply grounding, quiet embrace. This is no standard congratulation. It is an unbreakable, silent transfer of pure, human empathy between peers. A rare collision of two isolated anomalies who have stared into the abyss of failure and won. They refuse to blink. Ilya collapses into her, burying his flushed face against her comforting shoulder. He lets out a long, ragged sigh, releasing years of tightly coiled psychological pressure in an instant. He is safe here. He does not have to be the untouchable, impossible quad god right now. In this microscopic second, he is allowed to just be an exhausted, human survivor of it. Alyssa pulls back slightly, looking into his bloodshot eyes. The roar of fans still echoes loudly. The crowd is chanting his name, their voices vibrating through the thick concrete walls around them. She smiles a knowing, warm, unbreakable smile that acknowledges the magnitude of his historic skating achievement. "You did it," she whispers. Her voice is steady, cutting through the chaotic noise of the arena. "You actually broke the world." Ilya lets out a heavy breath, finally letting the reality sink in. He is entirely safe here. He does not have to be the terrifying, untouchable quad god. In this fleeting, microscopic fraction of a second, he is allowed to be a human survivor. Alyssa pulls back just enough to look directly into his heavy, bloodshot eyes. The roar of 18,000 American fans is still vibrating through the thick concrete walls of the arena. Their voices echo down the dark, freezing hallway. She smiles a deeply knowing, warm, and unbreakable smile that communicates the absolute magnitude of what he has just permanently accomplished today. He has secured his place in the brutal history books of the sport. "You did it." She whispers softly, her voice steady and grounded, cutting through the chaotic, violent, and deafening noise of the stadium. "You actually completely broke the entire world." Ilya lets out a heavy, deeply emotional breath as the weight of his victory finally becomes real in the dark. He lets out a ragged, honest laugh, a sound of pure, overwhelming emotional relief that echoes sharply off the cold concrete walls. He wipes a hot, salty tear from his flushed cheek, nodding his heavy, exhausted head. That terrifying, isolating psychological weight of the unprecedented moment has finally lifted from his weary shoulders. In this quiet, fortified, isolated backstage moment, the terrifying and unyielding American precision on the ice is gone, replaced by an incredibly beautiful, profound, unbreakable human connection between two legendary, world-class athletes who have finally conquered the terrifying, impossible boundaries of their own reality. As they turn and walk side by side down the freezing concrete tunnel toward the blinding, glaring stadium lights and the chaotic, packed media zones, a chilling and profound, heavy realization washes over the entire world of elite figure skating. This is no longer just a predictable, structured, athletic competition. We are now witnessing a living, breathing, totally unstoppable athletic dynasty achieving an incredible, generation-defining milestone understood only by the incredibly rare elite peers who have survived the exact same terrifying, suffocating psychological warfare. When you sit comfortably in your living room and watch a powerful athlete completely rewrite the athletic history books right before your eyes, what exactly goes through your racing mind? Are we seeing the absolute, untouchable peak of human athletic dominance? Or is this talented American legend just going to keep crushing the hopes and dreams of every skater who dares to challenge his unprecedented reign? Does anyone else on the face of the entire earth even have a mathematical chance of catching him when he skates? With that kind of relentless, terrifying power, is the World Championship gold already packed in his suitcase for the rest of his career? I need you to drop into the comments section right now and tell me how fast your heart was beating in your chest when he launched into that massive, gravity-defying quadruple axel. If this cinematic, intense breakdown of the greatest men's free skate in history and the profound, emotional backstage moments that followed got your adrenaline pumping and gave you chills, full-body chills, do not think about leaving this page without hitting that like button. It tells the algorithm that intense, cinematic sports storytelling really matters on this platform. Subscribe to the channel right now and crush that notification bell, so you never miss another breakdown of human athletic history being made in real time. Until next time, respect the terrifying power of the ice, cherish the rare people who understand your personal battles, and always keep defending your own thrones in life. And I will see you in the very next video.